This is Sharika, UR14CS122. This is experiment 6 in web technology. First, we are going to see how to write a JavaScript code to display digital clock. For that, the code is, inside a function display, we extract the date using an inbuilt function, and then we extract the hours using this object. Using d.get hours, we get the hours from the system, and d.get minutes, we get the minutes from the system, and d.get seconds, we get the seconds from the system. And finally, we are displaying the time in the span id time. We display the time, and then using set interval display, we call the function display here for every 1 second. And the output of the code is, so here we go, this is the output of our code. And the next question is to write a JavaScript code to change the background color for every 30 seconds. So for that, here inside the background color function, we use the RGB function to extract random colors. Here we have green, blue, red, and then in the body of the web page, we are displaying the color, and then using set interval, set background color, we are calling the function for every 2 seconds. So for every 2 seconds, our background color changes. And the next question is to create event handlers that will increase the font size when a mouse moves over a paragraph and decrease the size when mouse moves off the paragraph. So for that, the code is here inside the function increase size. So here inside the mouse, inside paragraph, I've given on mouse over function, so that when I move the mouse over my paragraph, it calls the increase size function here, and when I take the mouse out of my paragraph, it calls the decrease size function here. So inside my increase size function, as soon as I move the mouse over my paragraph, the font size is 28px, and then when I take the mouse out, the decrease size function is called, and my font size decreases to 10px. So here's the output of this code. Here, once I move the mouse, my paragraph zooms in, and then when I take it out, it zooms out. The next question is to write a JavaScript code that is animation. A car should move. So for that, here in the form, we are image source. We are getting an image, and then we are creating 2 buttons, so that when I click one button, it moves right, the image moves right, and once I click the stop button, the image goes to original position and stops. And inside function init, I'm initializing, I'm getting the image here and storing it here. I'm setting the initial position of my image, and I'm setting the style. And then move right, this is used to move my object to the right, and when and animate equal to set timeout move right is the move right function is called for every 20 milliseconds. And then the function stop, here I'm clearing the animate, and then I'm setting the image back to left 0px. So once I click on stop, as we can see here, it goes back to the left. So here when I click on start, my image moves to the right, and when I click on stop, it stops and moves to its original position to the left, that is left at 0px. And the next code is to create an array of objects, and we should iterate through the array. For that, here I have created an array student, and there I have the property name and value, my name, register number, DOB, and another set of values. And then I create a for loop, and I iterate through the loop. That is, when I iterate through the loop, first I've created a student I dot name, student I dot register number. So first one's name and register number gets displayed, and then in the next for loop, the next person's name and his register number is getting displayed. And next is to find to display the name of the students whose date of birth is after 2000. So for that, again a for loop, and if condition student I DOB greater than 2000, then his name gets displayed. And next condition is the student's date of birth is below before 2000, his name should get displayed. So next, again for loop, and I'm checking the condition. If student of I dot dob less than 200, then his name gets displayed. So let's see the output of this code. Here we go. So first my name and register number to both the elements, and then the student whose date of birth is after 2000 and student whose date of birth is before 2000. So this is our experiment 6.